In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve pending receiving accounts in Payoneer. If your receiving accounts are showing as pending, it usually means Payoneer needs a bit more information to verify your details. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can get approved and start receiving payments smoothly. First, log into your Payoneer account through the website or the mobile app. Use your usual sign-in details and wait for the dashboard to load. From the main menu, select Get Paid. This is where Payoneer organizes everything related to incoming payments. Next, open Receiving Accounts. Here, you'll see the list of your currency accounts. Look closely to see if any are marked as pending. If they are, Payoneer will typically display a message or a banner indicating that additional steps are required. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These notifications are tailored to your account and are designed to guide you through what's missing. Often, you'll be asked to complete the receiving account questionnaire. Click Start Questionnaire and provide accurate, consistent details about your business activity, the services you offer, and where your payments will come from. Be specific and make sure your answers match what appears in your documents and elsewhere in your account. Clear, consistent information helps avoid delays. After that, head to the verification center. This is where Payoneer lists any documents it needs to complete your verification. If something is required, you'll see an action item or a request there. When uploading documents, submit clear and valid copies. Typically, this includes a government-issued ID, a proof of address, and, if requested, a recent bank statement. Ensure all documents are readable, in color if possible, not cropped, and not expired. Your name and address should match what's on your Payoneer profile. For proof of address, recent utility bills or bank statements usually work best. Double check the details before you submit to prevent back and forth. Once everything is submitted, wait for approval. Payoneer will review your information, and timelines can vary depending on verification requirements. Keep an eye on your email and your account notifications, and avoid resubmitting the same documents unless you're asked to. When your receiving accounts are approved, return to receiving accounts to view your local bank details. You'll now be able to receive payments in supported currencies. Share the correct details with your payers and verify you're using the right currency account for each transaction. To recap, accuracy is crucial, processing times can vary, and incomplete or incorrect information can cause delays or rejections. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.